Hello and welcome to another update video on Kaspa. Yeah, I only covered Kaspa here a couple of days ago. I covered the larger time frame in that previous video. Check it out if you're interested. In this video, I just want to share with you my thoughts around the smaller time frame. We can see on the Kaspa chart that potentially a fourth wave, like a larger degree fourth wave, yeah. That fourth wave, by the way, started in July 24, August 24, that this might have completed in April. Now, we have seen a 5-wave move up, so I can interpret it that way, but there is currently no sufficient evidence that a low has formed in this internal B-wave pullback in this micro support area between 6.4 cents and 8.3 cents. There's no evidence for it. So unfortunately, the local trend is still down. There is still downside pressure, and what I communicated in the last video, and that's still relevant, is that we need a break above this last swing high at 9.2 cents to suggest that we're turning around and start the next rally to the upside. I would want to, because this is an AB structure, not a 1-2 setup, which would be a little bit more higher quality, a bit more stable. My view is that we need to be careful here because B waves can be deep. While there is a support area between 6.4 cents and 8.3 cents, again, there is no sign a local low has been established. What might help is not only a break above that level, but a micro 5-wave move up on the micro level to indicate the C wave to the upside has started, which, to be honest, is probably just part of an even larger ABC structure. But so this is how we could track that. But again, there is a setup, okay? This is not something for investment in my view. Any break below 6.4 cents will make an upside reversal already less likely. But again, we need a 1-2 setup to the upside, which we haven't seen yet. That would indicate the next leg up has started. That's very, very important to get that information. And if we go lower, below 6.4 cents, the probabilities for an upside reversal will reduce, in my view, quite significantly. And the formal invalidation point is the 5.3 cent level. That is the swing low from the 6th of April, 7th of April. That's the formal invalidation point. So what happens if we get invalidation? Well, we're falling back into the larger pattern. I would have to assume that this fourth wave is still unfolding. It wouldn't be great, but there is more room in this support area. But the risk is then below 6.4 cents that invalidation will happen. That's the risk. And that we could drop all the way down to 4.7 cents in the first instance. Doesn't sound dramatic maybe, but the next Fibonacci level below is at 2.9 cents. And that would then be quite a deep wave 4 already. So yeah, chances are we might just need one more marginally lower low. But for now, the local trend is down here. This is an upside reversal attempt. But with any AB setup or 1-2 setup, the true test comes after the first rally. That first rally is not confirmation. It's just a first indication we're turning around. Then the pullback is normally the stress test for the bulls, and that's what we watch right now. What happens if we rally in a C wave from here? Where should we land? Roughly, I just give you roughly an idea where we could land. It would be here, 17.5 cents. The 100% extension, but let's first see if the bulls can turn up here before we break below 6.4 cents. That's the update on Kaspa. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, if you're interested in additional updates, setups, and much more, check out our X profile. We build a community here as well. You'll find the link in the description. You can let us know which altcoins you want to see covered on X this week, and much more. Check it out. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.